Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Kinemaster and creating a new project with your preferred aspect ratio. This sets the canvas. Next, tap the media browser and select the clips you want, making sure to pick them in the rough order of playback because order matters. Once selected, place the first clip onto the timeline, then drag each subsequent clip into the main track one after another. Doing it now avoids reordering later and gives you a continuous sequence to edit from the start. Once your clips sit on the timeline, trim the start and end of each using the split tool or by dragging clip edges to remove pauses or mistakes. This tightens pacing. Then add transitions between clips. Select a style and set a short duration like 0, 2 to 1, 0 seconds to smooth cuts without drawing attention. Make sure to zoom the timeline and snap clips to the grid so cuts align with audio beats. And use layers if you need overlays or cutaways for clarity. Finish by previewing the full sequence from start to finish. Watch for jump cuts and pacing issues, then adjust trims or transition lengths if needed. When satisfied, open export settings. Pick resolution, frame rate, and bitrate appropriate for your platform, then tap export and wait for the render to complete. If you encounter audio sync drift, a quick fix is to re-import the original source clips and realign them, or detach audio and nudge the waveform into place. This preserves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.